Where you going? Grandfather forgot his boots. He can't splash in the water. Can Lionel splash in the water? Let me see. Boosh. Yeah, you can have the umbrella. You gonna splash with the umbrella? No? What are you gonna do? Just walk in the yard? I wanna see if the fish are getting wet in the rain. I see the fish over there. I see these goldfish. Yeah, there's one in here. Yeah. Oh, I see two. I don't see the black one though. You want to close it? This one's broken. It's kind of hard to close. You want to hold it? Grab it. Did it? Do you know what that is? Hmm? You know what this is? It's a camera. It's taking your picture.